My daily activities. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush the teeth.
Brush the teeth.
Wash face.
Wash face.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Make the bed.
Make the bed.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Fold the laundry.
Fold the laundry.
Hang the clothes.
Hang the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Read the news.
Read the news.
Feed the dog.
Feed the dog.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Go out with a friend.
Go out with a friend.
Play with friends.
Play with friends.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
Drive to work.
Drive to work.
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 Take a taxi.
Take a taxi.
Wait for the bus.
Wait for the bus.
Have lunch.
Have lunch.
Get home.
Get home.
Surf the net.
Surf the net.
Take pictures.
Take pictures.
Play the guitar.
Play the guitar.
Wash the car.
Wash the car.
Water the plant.
Water the plant.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog.
Rake the leaves.
Rake the leaves.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Clean the window.
Clean the window.
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Paint the house.
Paint the house.
Paint the picture.
Paint the picture.
Take a break.
Take a break.
Make dinner.
Make dinner.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Take out the rubbish.
Take out the rubbish.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.